I'm Sheila Smith, and I wanted to show you my new wig. I got a new Belle Tress wig yesterday in the mail, and her name is Aberdeen. She's heat-friendly synthetic with an average cap size. I'll show you the inside in just a second. She is caramel blonde R, and caramel blonde is described as light brown rooted, blend of light gold blonde, hint of strawberry blonde, and light auburn with the balance of cool light blonde highlights. This is a long layered straight cut, very pretty. Parted on the left side. It does have lace front, and there's the cap on the top that has the opening on the left so that you can make it look like scalp under there. So you can see the open wefted cap and the velvet ear tabs and the back, the closures are Velcro closures. So I'm going to put it on for you so you can see what it looks like on a person. Okay, here she is. I haven't played with her enough to style her the way that I'm going to want to wear her. But this is right out of the box, and I'm feeling like this is it. This is how I will wear her. And I can look a little bit closer so you can look closer and see the hairline with the lace front. Doesn't that look nice? It just looks so good. Oh, look at that. Does that look like scalp or what? I don't want to flatten it. I really like the body up front. You just need it. There we go. It's just like regular hair. It is so soft. It feels so nice. So that's what she looks like. The sides are shorter than the back. It's definitely a straight layered cut. I try to be consistent at work in what hair I wear. And if I'm going to wear something in this color, then I'm going to need to find something similar to this if I'm going to change them out. So similar length, maybe not exact cut, maybe a little curlier, but I am still really shy about saying, oh yeah, it's a wig. I'm not there. I'm not there yet. But I love the wig world. The excitement of ordering a new wig and trying them on for the first time. You'll probably do a lot of viewing of different wig reviews, but I just want you to know that I want to get the information out there, and like for my wig giveaways, I just want people that might be too shy to go try their own wig could get a wig at home and just see what it's like to put on a wig and wear it for a while. You don't have to go anywhere in it. You don't have to do anything with it. You're getting a free wig, and it's just to see how it feels. It may not be the right style for you, and so you didn't spend any money on it. So that's why I give away wigs and have wig contests, because I want to make wigs available to people that may not feel so good about purchasing wigs right off the bat, or at any time. If you just want to try, oh, that style, I've been wanting to try that style. Okay, so put your name in the contest to win. You're not going to lose anything. Maybe an inkling of the amount of time that you would be spending on looking at wig videos, because I know I've spent a lot of time looking at wig videos, and I absolutely love it. I love looking at the websites and checking out the open box sales. That's how I get most of my wigs. When there's something that I like in a color that is close to what I think I would like, or find a new color, that's when I purchase wigs the most. So this is Aberdeen from Belle Tress. She is very, very natural. I have found that the BellTress strands feel so soft and natural right out of the box, and I'm gonna keep watching those open box sales. And if you want more information about any of that, put a comment in the comment box, and I will put descriptions in the description box. I hope that you get the information you need, and if not, put more comments in the comment box. I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have and help any way that I can. So for now, please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.